Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit more informal because we're going to be doing a video for 2 days. So it's going to be a little longer. You don't have to watch the whole thing in one sitting. You can pause it, stop it, go back, you know, and review some things. So the section we're doing is 8.3.2. Okay, that's the section we're doing. I'm going to underline that. And we're gonna classify angles like we discussed in class on Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is when I'm doing the video. So we talked about 3 types of angles. Okay, 3 types. We discussed right angles, which are 90-degree angles. We discussed acute angles, which are less than 90. Okay, less than 90 degrees. Okay, and we did obtuse angles, more than 90 degrees. Okay, this is right angle, this is exactly 90 degrees. So these are the 3 types of angles. Let me do a close-up. I think it's a bit far. There we go. There we go, good. Okay, so those are the 3 types of angles that we have. Acute, these are acute angles, obtuse angles, and right angles. So this is right, acute, okay. So please remember that that's information that you're gonna need. Okay, that's in the textbook. So you have to know that you're going to be doing problem 868. That's in the textbook. Okay, you're going to be doing that problem. You're going to do 66, 67, 68. Okay, you're going to need this information for that. Now, for problem 869, you need different information. So I'm going to erase this. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Taking it's enough time. Right angle, 90 degrees. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees, and obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees, okay? And you have a visual right here. This angle is more than 90, less than 90, that's 90. Okay, so I'm erasing this. Now, we're gonna talk about adjacent angles, okay? Adjacent angles are when one angle is right next to another, and I'm just going to provide one example that you guys have in the book. Like for example, this is an angle, and then let's say it's cut in half. This is one angle, this is another angle. These are called adjacent, okay? Adjacent angles. Okay, I'll talk more about these eventually. Okay, but just understand that when 2 angles are together, they're adjacent, they're right next to each other. Okay, so that's all you need to know about those. Now we're going to talk about vertical angles. Okay, vertical angles, I'll write the name. Vertical angles. Okay, that's when we have 2 lines intersecting, okay, and it's something like this. Okay, those are vertical angles, and we have, let's say 1, 2. These 2 angles are equal, okay, and angle 3 and 4, they are also equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay? When I say equal, that means that they measure the same thing. And something that you also need to know, this is going to be a little more complicated for you to see, but I know you got this. See this line right here? These 2 angles, I'm going to do this line right here. These 2 angles add up to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 3 equal 180 degrees. Remember how we use the protractors in class? Well, this is a line right here. So that's 180 degrees. So whatever this is plus whatever this is has to give me 180. And guess what's going to happen with 2 and 4? Same thing, okay? So 2 and 4, or 4 and 2, if you want to see it. Angle 2 plus angle 4 gives you, that's right, 180 degrees. You guessed it, okay? That's information that we're going to need to know for the quiz as well, okay? So I'm going to do a problem that's similar to what one of the problems is going to be on the quiz. And you guys can find it in the book with problem 871. So I'm going to erase this. Again, if you needed this information, make sure you pause the video, you write it down, and you have it in your notes, you have it handy so you can continue, okay? So one of the problems, I'm going to do something similar to what's in the book. So I'm going to do one line. Okay, this is a line, and that's an angle. So this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Let's say I tell you that angle 1 equals, let's say 60 degrees. No, not 60, cannot be 60 because it's more than 90. So I'll say it's 105 degrees. So what's angle number 2? What's the question? What's angle number 2? Well, I'm going to do the work on this side. If I know that these two, if I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 180 degrees. That's something that I know because it's a straight line, and a straight line has a straight angle, and a straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, so that's something that you have in your notes from Tuesday. So check that if you don't have it, okay? Or also you can refer page 460 in the book. You can refer to that page and you'll find that information. So over here I'm going to replace angle 1 with 105. So 105 plus angle 2 equals 180. Okay, so if I do this like solving, okay, like if I was solving for angle 2, I subtract 105 from both sides. Subtract 105. This eliminates. So angle 2 equals 180 minus 105 equals 75 degrees. So angle 2 equals 75 degrees. Okay, because when I add both of them, they give me 180. And I think we're going to stop right there. I think that's enough information for you guys. The video is already very long. It's like 8 minutes. But all this information is going to be necessary. Watch out. You might get a pop quiz this week. Never know. Okay, it could happen. So keep your eyes open, see what happens, and make sure you check out the video, okay? Hope you liked it. Any questions, please let me know. Okay, take care.